Hello, young adventurers! I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're about to go on an exciting journey to discover the days of the week. You'll meet Saro and Mina, who are about to learn how each day can be its own special adventure. We'll open magical doors, explore fun activities, and even find out why the days keep changing. So, get ready because we're about to begin.
Hey, Mina. Why do you look so confused? Did you forget your homework? No. It's just I keep getting mixed up about what day it is. Yesterday, we had gym class. But today we have music. And I thought today was Friday, but it's actually Tuesday. Oh, that happens to a lot of first graders. Don't worry, Mina, I'll help you figure it out. There are 7 days in a week, and each one has its own special magic.
Did someone say magic? Sounds like you two need a little help to uncover the secrets of the days of the week.
Whoa! Captain AHS, you're real? Can you really help me understand the days?
Of course, I can, Mina! And guess what? Each day is like an adventure with its own special mission. Let's go on a journey through the week together. See these 7 doors? Behind each one is a different day of the week. Let's start by saying their names together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Sunday is for resting and having fun with family. I like this day.
Exactly, Mina. Now let's move on to Monday.
Monday means back to school. It's a fresh start for a new week.
And every day after has something special too. How about we make each day extra exciting with a special activity? Here's what you can do. Tuesday. Play outside and have lots of fun. Wednesday. Get creative with some drawing and crafts. Thursday. It's a great day to help a friend or play with your classmates. Friday. How about baking some yummy treats? Saturday. Saturday is perfect for playdates or going on an adventure.
Wow! I never thought of the days as different adventures. I'm going to start doing something special each day. That way, you won't get confused anymore, Mina. You'll know what day it is by what you're doing.
Now here's something super cool. Do you know why the days change? It's because the Earth is always spinning like a big top, giving us daytime when the sun is out, and nighttime when the moon comes up.
So, the sun and moon are kind of like the world's giant clock, huh?
That's right, Mina! Every spin of the Earth gives us a new day to enjoy, learn, and play.
Thank you, Captain AHS. You are amazing.
Now, it's the time for quiz. Here's your first question. The day before Friday is? Is it Option A, Monday? Option B, Wednesday? Option C, Thursday? Or Option D, Sunday? Think about it. That's right! The day before Friday is Thursday. So the correct answer is option C. Here's your next question. The day after Sunday is Saturday? Is it true or false? Think about it. Good job! The day after Sunday is Monday, not Saturday. So the correct answer is false. Here's your next question. The day that follows Monday is? Is it option A, Tuesday, option B, Wednesday, option C, Thursday, or option D, Sunday? Think about it. Perfect! The day that follows Monday is Tuesday. So the correct answer is option A. Here's your next question. The day before Thursday is Tuesday? Is it true or false? Think about it. Excellent! The day before Thursday is Wednesday, not Tuesday. So the correct answer is false. Here's your last question. The day that follows Wednesday is? Is it option A, Tuesday, option B, Saturday, option C, Thursday, or option D, Sunday? Think about it. Fabulous! The day that follows Wednesday is Thursday. So the correct answer is option C. Alright, explorers! Our next adventure will be all about the months of the year. We'll learn how there are 12 months and discover what makes each one special. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in our next journey.